Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying and dividing letters worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet and we'll see how to multiply and divide pronumerals. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, we have had a lesson on this very topic. So on the next slide, there is a link. And if you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Now, this is very interesting here because the terms do not have to be like terms for you to be able to multiply terms together. As well, the terms do not have to be like terms for you to be able to divide. So let's have a look what's required here. Number one. 4 times 5y. Now you can see here we have just a number and here we have 5y. They are definitely unlike terms, but because the operation is multiplication, we can simplify this situation here. We can bring those two terms together and simplify it. It's exactly the same with number 2, 3m times 5b. They are definitely unlike terms. If that was addition, we could not add those together. But because it's multiplication, we're allowed to simplify when we multiply those two terms together. The next example, we are multiplying 3 terms together. Here, we're multiplying 4 terms together. This is a little bit more involved. We still have 4 terms, but we have some powers also involved. Now the lesson shows exactly how to do an example like this. Now we have division. You can either do it this way, or you can write that in the form of a fraction. For example, if it's easier for you, and this is in the lesson, you can write 12m over 2m. If it's much easier for you to do it that way, you can. So that's another way of doing it. Here we're multiplying 2 terms together. Sorry, dividing. My apologies, we're dividing. So this term here divided by this one. We're multiplying 3 terms together. We're multiplying that term and that term. And here's another example of division. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. And if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide just click on the link and it'll explain exactly how to do all the examples.